In 1983, Yamaha revolutionized the Enduro world with a beast that crushed trails and conquered races. But what if the legend could be reborn, with even more power and precision than before? In 2026, Yamaha has revived a legend, the IT490, now re-engineered to dominate a new era of off-road racing. The Yamaha IT490 was more than just a motorcycle, it was an icon. For years, riders fought to tame its wild power, with some of the toughest competitors of the 80s, taking it to the front lines of enduro and motocross. Equipped with a 490cc two-stroke engine, the original IT490 was praised for its impressive torque and high-speed performance, yet feared for its temperamental nature. Riders either loved it or hated it, but the power was undeniable. Fast forward to 2026, and Yamaha has once again set its sights on the enduro world, bringing back the IT490 with a modern twist. But this isn't just a simple retro redesign, it's a thorough re-engineering, meant to match the expectations of today's riders while staying true to the aggressive spirit of the original. Let's talk about the engine, the heart of any great motorcycle. The original IT490 was famous for its raw, untamed power. Thanks to its massive 490cc two-stroke engine, it was a beast, but not without its quirks. Riders struggled with the unpredictable power delivery, often fighting to control the throttle as they tore through the roughest terrain. Now, the 2026 IT490 takes that legendary engine and improves it with modern fuel injection technology. This means smoother throttle response, better fuel efficiency, and cleaner emissions, without losing the essence of what made the original so great. Then there's the suspension. The original IT490's suspension setup was, let's say, basic by today's standards. Fast forward to the present, and Yamaha has fitted the 2026 model with a fully adjustable, state-of-the-art suspension system designed to tackle everything from technical single tracks to high-speed open fields. It's a system that not only provides comfort, but also enhances handling and stability, making it perfect for modern enduro racing. And let's not forget the frame. The original IT490 was built like a tank, heavy but built to last. The 2026 IT490, however, has been revamped with a lighter, more nimble frame, crafted from advanced materials to ensure both durability and maneuverability. Riders can now push harder, corner tighter, and ride longer, without feeling weighed down by unnecessary bulk. But the question remains, does the 2026 Yamaha IT490 live up to the legend? Absolutely. It takes all the raw power and aggressive spirit of the original and transforms it into a machine that can keep up with modern demands. Whether you're an old-school enduro rider looking to relive the glory days, or a new rider seeking a powerful yet manageable bike, the 2026 IT490 brings something for everyone. What's more, it's a testament to Yamaha's commitment to preserving the legacy of off-road racing while embracing the future. The new IT490 isn't just a bike. It's a statement that classic performance can coexist with modern engineering. In the world of motorcycles, legends are built on both raw performance and enduring spirit. The 2026 Yamaha IT490 is the perfect blend of history and innovation, a machine that not only respects its roots, but evolves them for a new generation of riders. Whether on the racetrack or the backwoods trails, this bike promises to continue the legacy of pushing boundaries, redefining limits, and honoring the riders who chase the thrill of the ride. And so, the IT490 lives again, not just in the memories of those who rode it, but in the hands of those ready to make history of their own. The legend is back, and the journey has only just begun.